So guys, recently I have purchased this Realme X2 and it's been quite a while since I'm using this smartphone as my primary device, and I have found some issues in this smartphone. So today I'm going to point out 3 specific problems that I found with this smartphone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and these are some cons of this Realme X2. So let's begin. So first of all guys, before I start the video, a quick disclaimer over here. Before you buy this smartphone or before you bash me in the comment section below that this smartphone is very good, you are just talking nonsense. First of all, watch the pros videos of this phone, basically a reason to buy this phone, or you can say the good point of this phone. I have made both the videos, so if you want to see that video, I will leave the card over there. With that said, let's begin. So first of all guys, the biggest reason not to purchase this smartphone or the biggest con of this smartphone is the color OS. I know this smartphone has the color OS 6.0 and I feel that this color OS is very bad in my opinion. First of all, it has a lot of features. You are not limited with the features here, but you are limited with the smoothness. It does not feel that smooth. I mean, it has Snapdragon 730G processor, and with that processor you're supposed to get a really good performance, but it lacks somewhere. The smoothness is not that good. The software is not that amazing in my opinion. So the biggest complaint is the software. After that, the second point is regarding the performance. So this smartphone comes with Snapdragon 730G processor, but still it does not able to play HDR, PUBG or any other game in HDR. So that's a very bad thing in my opinion. I guess there are some software issues and that might be fixed in the future, but so far the performance is not that amazing. By the way, I have already made the gaming review of this phone. If you want to see that how this smartphone plays the game, I will leave the link over there. You can go and check that out. So overall, the performance is not that good. Then after that, the design. The third reason is the design. This smartphone offers exactly similar design as the Realme XT. So you don't get anything new here. Very boring and old design, though I don't like it that much in terms of the design department. But overall, build quality is good, but design could be a little bit better over here. Yeah, this is my 3 complaints which I have found in this smartphone. I know this smartphone is really good and I definitely suggest you to buy this smartphone, but before that you should consider these points, and after that you should consider the positive points of this smartphone. After watching both the points, you can definitely consider to buy this smartphone. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very helpful for me as well as for them. And if you love my content, you can subscribe to the channel with that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye.